Bonobos, they live in Congo, and they are known to mostly move bipedal. So even if they are hairy, but some of the areas, when they reach the savanna area, they can walk by 2 legs.
Yeah.
So they look like chimps. They are more close to the chimps, but they are very smart.
The bigger ones?
Yeah. They are they are same size like chimps, but kind of trying to be tall like humans.
They're more straight like humans, you mean?
Exactly. And when they are standing like this, you can think like they look like Australopithecus, those humans, those old people. And they have 99.1% of the genes with too close to the humans. We share with them 99.1.
The chimpanzees have 98 point something. 97.
98.
Chimps have 98.
Yeah, 98.
And these guys have 99. They're hitting very close.
They're very close.
Where in Congo do they live?
They live on the northeast side of the park of the Congo, and they have a population of around now 16,000.
16,000?
Yeah.
And what are they called again?
Bonobos.
Bonobos.
They're the ones that every single time they have a problem, they will resolve it by making love.
Yeah,
That's the way they do it,
exactly.
They do everything.
And if you need to know, if you need to know the fact about bonobos, it's known that among all the great apes, bonobos can spend 40%. I have to add again, 40% of their daily activity budget mating.
Yes.
40%? 40%?
Yeah. You see, it's almost nearby half of their
They
daily
don't need any medicine
guys.
or...